Okay, so we're going to come back to our exponential function notes page. We talked about exponential growth and we left the other half of our T-chart for exponential decay, which we are going to talk about today. So what you probably noticed, hopefully on your intro to exponential decay that you completed yesterday, is that when our graph goes down, the multiplier is less than 1. So anytime it's less than 1, the numbers are going to be decreasing exponentially. So an example of that would be f of x equals 24 times 1/2 to the x. So this tells us that we are starting with 24, and then the 1/2 tells us that we are decreasing by half. And so how would this look in our table? Each time we're going to cut the number in half. So we started with, when x was 0, we had 24. And then after day 1, we lose half. It's decreasing by half. So we only have half left, which means we would have 12 left. And then after 2 days, we'll lose half again, which means we'll have 6. And then on day 3, we lose half of 6, which means we only have 3 left. And so now we can graph it. We'll scale our graph by 4s again. And so our first point is at 0, 24, and then 1, 12, and then 2, 6, and then 3, 3. See, our graph is decaying. It's going down by half each time. Let's go ahead and look at your exponential decay assignment. It's a shadow. Hopefully you can see that okay. All right, so our starting value is 18. So we know that on day 0, we have 18. And then after 1 day, it's cutting in half. We're losing half. And that's the most common for exponential decay. So if we lose half after 1 day or 1 week or 1 month or 1 year, we'd only have 9. Then after 2, we'd have half of 9, which is 4.5. After 3, we would have half of 4.5, which is 2.25. So as long as we have a couple points, that's perfect to graph. So we go to 0, 18. We go to 1, 9. We go to 2, 4.5. And we go to 3, 2.25. And there's our sketch. Okay, so just remember that anytime you have a fraction here or you have a negative exponent like you learned in the introduction, that it is exponential decay.